Hi, it's Stephen F. with another DIY Mondays. Today, we're doing the Blessed Mother. If you go to the Pond and Garden channel, you see earlier I did a video of me doing this, scraping it and so forth and so on, because this is part of the Pond and Garden Sanctuary as well. But it's a DIY project too. So, what I did was scraped it. You saw in the last video with an X-Acto knife, and scraped everything, and then brushed it with the brush and wiped it down with a wet towel. So what I want to do now is paint the white. The first step in the Pond and Garden video, the DIY Monday, was I scraped it, did whatever I had to do, brushed it and so forth and so on, wiped it down, and now I'm painting it. That's what I did on the Monday DIY on the Pond and Garden channel. So if you go to the Pond and Garden channel, it will explain what I did here. And I want you to come over to this channel to see the solar light installation, which I said I would do, and go over this briefly. So there is a DIY Monday video on the Pond and Garden channel and what I did with this today. I'm also gonna came out earlier and painted it. I want to give it a second coat because it may need 2 or 3 coats. So I figured I would do the DIY video as a Pond and Garden video, then do the solar lights, show you in front of the house as a DIY project, and go back another video for the Pond and Garden channel. So without further ado, we'll get into this, but I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did in the other video, I did as if I was doing a Monday DIY video on the Pond and Garden channel. You see that. Go to that video, and then you'll come here, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to give this the second coat. Right now, I'm going to give this a second coat. And then let it dry, and go do the solar lights in the front of the house. Show you what I'm going to set up and go back to the Pond and Garden channel. So you see the Blessed Mother here. What I'm doing with this is I'm going to paint the white. Like I said, I wiped it down with this. I scraped it with the X-Acto knife. See right here, the X-Acto knife, and I brushed it to get all the stuff off. So now I'm just going to paint the white again. One last time. I'm going to let it set. Hopefully finish it, the white, on next Monday's video. But you go to the Pond and Garden channel, you'll see me, what I did. The scraping of it, the best I could. But now I'm going over the white, and of course this will have to take at least 2 to 3, maybe 4 coats. This is the second coat I'm giving it now. I'm touching up what I didn't get last time. Like I said, I scraped all of it. I'm painting the face white and everything because I want to have a base to paint the color to get the flesh tones to come out. and everything on the statue. Painting just the veil white and our inside dress. This will be blue and this will be gold. I'll show you the paints once I finish painting here. It may take one more, maybe two more coats. I think it's pretty much looking good now. I got to get some more white. Hold on. And of course, this is Dollar Tree paint, DIY projects and stuff like that. I'm using this on the cement. You see I got it down to the cement. It's porous enough that it will suck it in. And then I'll spray it and paint it with the clear Flex Seal so that it stays on. I may have to go over the glue again with the X-Acto knife to see some spots that I may have missed. So that's why we do the white first. Make sure we get all of it. It's gonna look nice when it's done. And like I said in the other video, excuse me, there's a snake here, which I'll show you next week. Should I paint the snake green? She's stepping on the snake. I believe that's the devil, the serpent. So, and I'll probably just leave this, or just fill this in the best I can. Maybe white. Pardon the noise. It's my neighbor with his grandson. So we're going to do this too. Yeah. You want basically the front the best so that you see it nice. This is the snake. This is her foot. She's stamping on the snake. We'll get to the back of it. What I'm going to do is going to download the Monday DIY video from the Pond and Garden channel to this channel, as well as it being posted on the Pond and Garden channel. And now that I basically got all the white that I could covered for now, I'll let this dry, and we'll come back to it tomorrow, but you'll see it next Monday on the Monday DIY. This is her hand here. And of course I got the face. So this way I have a base to work with. And we'll continue to paint the white as long as it takes. Hopefully get this before the bad weather sets in. Finished, which I think I can. We're going to have some nice hot days as well. So I'm going to end it here. Remember, you'll see this video and another video from the DIY Mondays on the Pond and Garden channel. And I'm telling you to go to this channel, watch this on this channel as well as the Pond and Garden channel. And I'm going to do the solar lights on the Pond and Garden channel. I showed you at the end of this video. I'm just going to show you at the end of this video. Start it and then complete it on the Pond and Garden channel. And the The video before this, the video after this will be the video that was posted on the Pond and Garden channel for DIY Mondays. And then we'll go into the solar lights video, which will be on the Pond and Garden channel. We'll go to that next. Show you the solar lights that I'm going to put outside. Just going to put a few, and I'll finish that tomorrow. Hope you hear me with the air conditioner going and the water. So that's it for now. We let this dry. Let's see what we get. Just going to place a few lights in the front. I'll show you what I'm doing on the Pond and Garden channel next. Okay, we're going to leave this like this, let this dry. Okay guys, these are the solar lights that I'm going to put in the front. This one, these are the ground stakes. These are the stakes for the pole. I'm going to put these in the front, place them in the front, and then the Hampton Bay solar lights, as you can see right here. Now, these solar lights, like I said, the Hampton Bay solar lights are glass. These are expensive lights. In order for you, it would be worth it for you to spend like $20-$30 for a set of lights to repair these, to put these in and save the lights. There's not a cheap Dollar Tree light. So without further ado, I'm going to end it here and go to the DIY channel that I ended, that's posted on the Pond and Garden channel, explaining the Blessed Mother as well. I posted it as a Monday DIY video on the Pond and Garden channel. I'm going to link both videos to both channels. And then the third video about the solar lights that I'm putting up, that will also be linked to the Pond and Garden channel, and then linked later on tonight to the DIY channel. Don't forget, I'm live streaming tonight on the Pond and Garden channel. I hope you join me. I will see you later on tonight at 9 p.m. on the Pond and Garden channel. If I can come on earlier, I'll come on earlier. But definitely at 9 p.m. to 11, Pond and Garden channel live stream. See you then. Oh, don't forget, here, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, Stephen F. signing off. Like, comment, share, ding the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, next Monday, DIY. Go over to the Pond and Garden Sanctuary. You'll see me working on the Blessed Mother and explaining that if this was a DIY Monday video, this is the DIY Monday video, but there's one on the Pond and Garden channel as well, and I'll be linking it to this channel too. So I know it's confusing, but I'll be working them out upcoming days, but I wanted to post it on the Pond and Garden channel as well. So you'll see that video on the Pond and Garden channel. You'll see that video on this channel as well. And the solar light video, just placing the solar lights out there and going through everything tomorrow on the Pond and Garden channel. I'll explain everything tonight on the live stream. I'll see you then. So if you don't watch tonight's live stream, go back to it next few days and you'll see everything that's going on. I'll see you then. Till next time, keep DIYing. See you in the next project. Next project will be the Blessed Mother, painting the blue, and hopefully finishing it up within the next 2 videos. And then back downstairs to the basement